First, I would like to thank all Goans for patronizing us and giving very good response to BSc. Next, we are all very much prepared for the Christmas and New Year season and coming wedding season also. So we have got a lot of new collections for all the new celebrations, coming new festivals and celebrations. And we are very much happy with the Goans' response and good feedback.
Any particular offers you have? Any particular brands you have for this particular season, Christmas, New Year, and wedding season?
So we are having all the national and international brands here for menswear, kidswear, and even for ladies wear. And for this New Year and Christmas celebration, we have very good collections in western and gagras, gowns, all these collections. We got very good new collections for the coming up season.
Any offers?
Offers? No, we have 10% discount on the MRPs for all the brands. Some brands we have special offers. At least it starts with 10%, it goes up to 30-40% also, depending on the company's offer.
What message you would like to give to the Goan shoppers? Like what you would like to tell them about the coming season?
I would like to tell all the Goans that please do come to BSc and do good shopping, enjoy your festivals, have good time with us, and enjoy the shopping with BSc.